Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Begin by gathering tools: 3/8-inch drive ratchet, 13mm and 15mm sockets, fluid pump, catch pan, new pan gasket or crush washer, and Mopar ATF plus 4. Use Mopar ATF plus 4 and have about 5 quarts on hand for a full service. Park the Jeep level, set the parking brake, chock the wheels, lift with a floor jack and secure on jack stands. Warm the transmission by idling 5-10 minutes. Warm fluid to about 100. Place a 6/8 quart catch pan under the transmission and loosen the pan bolts evenly to allow controlled draining. Fluid will pour out once the seal breaks. Place the pan aside, inspect and clean the magnet, and remove the old filter. Replace it with a new one. Use brake cleaner to degrease the pan and mating surfaces. Install a new gasket or sealant, then hand start bolts and torque pan bolts in a crisscross pattern to factory specification to avoid leaks. With the Jeep still level, use a fluid pump to refill through the dipstick tube. Refill through the dipstick tube using a pump until level reaches the hot mark at 100-120 degrees F. Start the engine, shift slowly through park, reverse, neutral, drive, and back to park to circulate fluid and remove trapped air. With the engine idling and at operating temperature, recheck the dipstick and add fluid sparingly to reach the correct hot level. Dispose of used fluid properly, lower the vehicle, inspect for leaks, and perform a short test drive to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.